In this video, I'll be looking at what are mass torts incidents. So let's get started. Now, mass tort incidents refer to events or situations where a large number of individuals suffer harm or injury from the same source or cause. These incidents often lead to legal actions where multiple plaintiffs, or also you can call them individuals or groups, file lawsuits against a defendant or multiple defendants. The harm caused by mass torts is usually widespread and involves cases such as defective products, environmental contamination, harmful pharmaceuticals, or toxic substances. Now we're going to go ahead and look at some key characteristics of mass tort incidents. So let's get started with the first one, which is large-scale harm. Now, a significant number of people are affected by the same issue, such as a pharmaceutical drug causing side effects or exposure to toxic chemicals. Then we have common cause. So the harm typically arises from a single source or event like a defective product, environmental disaster, or widespread corporate negligence. Then we have individual lawsuit. Individual lawsuit. So even though many people are affected, each plaintiff files an individual lawsuit addressing the specific harm they experienced. And lastly, we have consolidation for efficiency. Consolidation for efficiency. Now, while each case remains separate, mass torts are often consolidated for pre-trial procedures to reduce duplication and speed up the process. This is often done through multi-district litigation or MDL. Now we're going to go ahead and look at some examples of mass tort incidents. So let me just go ahead and write them down. The first one is toxic exposure. Exposure. Now, incidents where large number of people are exposed to hazardous chemicals, now that's where it's toxic exposure, like the Camp Lejeune water contamination that affected thousands of veterans and their families. Then we have defective product. So when a product such as a medical device or drug causes harm to many users, for example, the Roundup weed killer lawsuits against Monsanto is a prime example. Then we have pharmaceutical harm. Pharmaceutical harm. So mass tort cases related to harmful drugs like the opioid litigation where pharmaceutical companies were sued for their role in the opioid crisis. Then we have environmental disasters. Environmental disasters. Now these are some of the examples that could potentially cause mass torts. Now, these are events like oil spills or industrial accidents that affect a large number of people, such as the BP Deepwater Horizon oil spill. So that's basically everything on what are mass torts incidents. We've looked at examples and the characteristics, and I hope this video helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.